We'll be creating today with the Creating is Calling Holiday Catalog. And it's my favorite catalog in ages. I think I say this every year, but really, Stampin' Up! Has nailed this on the head. And if you see what we created today, you will just, I think you're going to love it. I think you're going to love this beyond words. Actually, Kay is going to make me a pie that's tied to this. I just know it. This is this cute little latte, pumpkin pie latte lollipop. Now, I used to get these when I was in high school. It was something fun to suck on. So this was 2 for $1 at the 99-cent store. So my daughter picked it up for me. She said she didn't like it because it tastes like pumpkin and coffee. Well, that would make sense. It's a pumpkin latte. Hello. So what we did was we're going to create with that. And I'm going to show you, because I only have one, what I created. Let me put her back together. We made pumpkins. Yes, we did. And we're going to create one with you right now. Now, I can't have these at boutiques. I can't have any of that here in the state of California. You cannot. You will get a big fat fine because they want you to have a food license, which is silly as all get out. But are you ready for the cute factor? Look at this little pumpkin that we created on the lollipop. Shut the front door. Wonder what she expected it to taste like. I know, Wanda. She's so funny. I think they expected it to be like pumpkin pie, but nope, it was not. So this is our pumpkin pie cardstock, and we use the early espresso with some crumb cake here. You can't get a better description than all of that. And we're going to go ahead and create one of these right now, just so you can see it in person, because hello, it's so cute. So I'm going to take it apart because I need that lollipop. I only got one and I haven't had mine yet. My kids were generous, but to a point. They aren't going to get me a whole bunch of lollipops. Actually, I've given up a lot of my carbs, so which is amazing because you can lose a lot of weight when you do that. Let me put my hair up real quick so we can create together. And isn't it adorbs, Terry? I know. You're welcome. Sometimes Jamie has a good thing or two in her head. So what we're going to do is we took and die cut this already. It's right here. It's ready to go. And the nice thing is there's no waste with these tiny curvy keepsake boxes. This is a 5 1/2 piece of cardstock, just half of 8.5 by 11 to create this. And then you have this extra left over that you can make little tags or a matching little card to go with it. So freaking easy. That's mine. And what we're going to do is I've already put the pumpkin from the Harvest Hellos suite on my block. It's a cling stamp set. It's fabulous. We're going to use the early espresso. Hello, does that go great? Pumpkin espresso makes a pumpkin pie latte. We're so good today. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp, and I have to stand to do this, my dears. So I'm going to stamp the pumpkin on here. Now, it is not going to fit 100%. It's going to go off just a smidge, and I'm okay with that because it gets folded together and it looks super cute anyway. My son we went to Mod Pizza, and my girlfriends and I love it because we can get a small little pizza and have a nice 2-hour conversation lunch, and it doesn't kill our budget. And we get to make exactly what we want. That's one of the benefits to those places, let me just say. So I have 4 little pumpkins on here. Then I took and die cut in that same box this little tag. Look how cute this little stitch tag is. So freaking cute. I just took the Hello Pumpkin. Hey there, pumpkin. And now I can give a basket of these to teachers in California. What I can't do is I can't give them, I can't sell candy or have it at a booth. I can't even have it as a display in California. So just be aware, if you're a demonstrator, look in your area what you can and can't do. California is probably crazier than most states. So just keep that in mind. Rah. Gotta love California. No, you don't. I actually don't. Just saying. I've grown up here my whole life. I'm on my way out, God willing. So I am actually going to take the gorgeous burlap ribbon here, and I've cut a section of it off, and then I separate it. So the section looks like this long here, and it's held together with these little plastic strings. So I just cut it and then started separating them. And I have two little separated pieces right here. And I'm just going to go through just like this. I like the rough texture for this project. It's a little rustic, kind of like a hay barn feel. So this here is, somebody asked me measurements before. It's about 8 inches long. There's really no rhyme or reason on any of my crafting, you guys. So then I want to put this on the outside. So what I'm going to do is I need to punch a hole. We don't have a handheld punch that'll work with that, but we have our paper snips. And this is the secret. Open your fingers right here and then use that in the middle. So just kind of do a little circle with your paper snips. And this pumpkin pie stick is really wide here at where it's wrapped like so. So what I did was I just made a little cross. Boop. 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 And boop. You know, I have to say Facebook's really fun because if my friend Brian is still on here, it's fun to stalk my friends online from school. It's just neat that way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to round the package off. So this is cardstock. It's nice and firm. I'm just going to curl it with the end of my bone folder. Now, if you want to jazz it up, do you want to jazz it up today? We'll see how this comes out. I made that caramel apple to look caramelly, but I'm going to take the same copper and a sponge for our delicate ink pad here. And my sponge, which is, it was just here a second ago, my angels. Oh, here it is. And I'm going to dip it in the corner. And I really want to just kind of go the edges. I think it adds a little whimsical sparkle. So then I'm just going to take some copper and I'm doing the edges of this. Is it going to be a huge difference? No, but it adds a little sparkle, my dears, to your project. And every woman loves to sparkle. We do. So don't miss this. If you're going to shop with me, send me to Maui. I need your help. Shop with me with the new upcoming catalog. There is a special sale that goes live on September 4th. It is buy 3 select designer series papers and pick 1 free. And that is limitless. So you can buy 6 papers and get 2 packages for free. That's $20 in free product. And if you grab the starter kit, you can grab that with your discount on top of everything else, which always makes me freaky deaky happy. I love a good discount. Pretty easy like that.